Good evening, Satyam.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, is it compulsory to present all the team members for today?
Though you can just let me know what is your current project status.
Okay, ma'am. Like I have to show or just tell you.
If possible, you should show what you have done till now.
Okay, ma'am. May I share the screen?
Just a minute. Let others also join.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Good
Okay,
evening,
so
ma'am.
Good
Good
we
evening,
evening.
can
ma'am.
start
Good evening,
now.
ma'am.
Okay, from group one, who is present?
Ma'am, group one also only for like a front back end ready, but front end some problem there.
Is left.
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am, back end and front end is running, but some issue is there, but it's working now fine.
Okay,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
possible,
Like
just show what you have done till now.
Okay, ma'am.
Anybody can show.
Yes, ma'am. Wait 1 minute.
Sumit is the front end. No?
Okay, so your front end is working fine, right? So with your mic is not on.
Yes, ma'am. Authentication in backend, there's some issue in Google authentication, but all the things working fine, and I have to add some other feature only.
Okay, just show me your backend also.
Uh, Ma'am, code postman
Code.
code, ma'am. Wait,
Like what are the files that you have already built?
wait, ma'am. One thing, this done. This is the server we have configured where the Google authentication part which have to work, and auth controller that is for the JW authentication is properly working fine. And this is upload.js where user can upload the images and download images, go to the upload file, or you can use Cloudberry later on, and the routes. And the util this is a this file is used for the forget password functionality, that if you forget, then they simply send email, then can change the for password. And env file, mongo email, and google session. Cloudberry, we are working on Cloudberry so that all the files go to the Cloudberry and the index.js.
Okay, so
This
you
is
must be having two models. Show me the models file.
no, user and design is working on. User is done.
Okay,
Design is
okay.
okay.
And the routes?
Routes, only authentication routes right now, and Google
Oh,
authentication. Design.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Sumit is already done in a front end part. I have a back end part, ma'am,
okay.
totally. Just any communication break. But I share you back end part, ma'am. I just share.
Okay, okay, fine.
It's the back end, ma'am, like
So just a
PNV
minute,
file.
Gaurav. So in your front end, you were able to make your design in the area, and image upload was possible, or you are working on it.
Just a minute, ma'am. I Like you can go register there. Rather, you can go direct. First of all, go to register. Anything else? So some error. Okay. First of all, go to register your. Like you can go to choose any picture there. Like some you can go to extend this picture to typing any I adding some picture there. You can go again. You can go to re-edit. Yeah, delete. Yeah, download. Yes, ma'am.
So edit feature is working.
Yeah. Like
Okay,
again, you
fine.
can go.
It is possible from front end also, right?
Yeah, ma'am. It's a
Okay, fine.
totally backend, ma'am. Totally backend. Only used a backend. No any UI, like a simply UI.
Yes, yes,
Go
just
to delete.
like Sumit was showing me the front end part. So you have you all integrated both the front end and back end, or is it left?
Only I saw only backend, ma'am. Only backend, not a front end.
Ma'am,
And
authentication part is done, but the design part have to is left now. Design model.
Okay, so you have the design part and Gaurav has the back end part, and you both have
back.
to integrate the both the parts.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine, good job.
Like I'm going to saving AWS in cloud S3 and is a fire
And if you are saving the file, where will that be saved? In the Cloudinary or in the MongoDB?
cloud, man.
Okay, fine.
And again, like data is saved in Mongo.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Good job. So since you all are left with very few of the features, very well done. You can then present it on Friday only, I guess.
Okay, ma'am. Friday has been done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just be ready with your report also. Add all the features that are required and good job. Okay, so group two, who will
Good evening,
be
ma'am.
presenting? Yes, Satyam.
Good.
You can now share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Let's first show me the website. Like we are making a global connect, and first of all, like as an introductory part, the front end part is run by Shad, Salman, and Devendra and Rahul, and the back end part is handling by me and Kanika. So these are the global connect where we have like just a landing page. We have created like these featured job opportunities. We are mainly focusing on like just have taken a some reference from LinkedIn also, like having a message feature, jobs applied, and also a feed post type. So these are the like features we are working on it, and it how it like create a profile, connect networks, and engage and share. So these are the like landing page for it, and now just get login. And I have divided this like into two parts, as a job seeker and as a recruiter. First I'll log in onto the user part. Okay, so these are the feed sections where we can like post or something. So these are the members who have like used and posted. And here is the job sections where I got all the jobs. These are the like static now because I have to work on the recruiter phase. And this message feature is like working right now. Like we have also done the some chats today. Like, and in the network section we can create a connections or right now I already added all the members like Kanika and Saad. And these are the profile section where I can like add my details, skills, and resume. These resumes are deployed or added on Cloudinary, from where I can fetch to the MongoDB database with the help of like a link and all. So these are the user sections, and in the similar way, I have to work on the recruiter part. Like I have added the like authentication part, but I have to work on the all the other things. Like this is how my recruiter dashboard is going to look, and these are the static data which I have to work on. And now let me go through the code part. uh, so in the backend part I have uses Cloudinary for storing the data. And it is like MongoDB connection I built it, and Multer is using for like file uploads and all. And I have like added all the controllers, but I have to work on the recruiter part. These are the post controller where like I have added the feed parts, message controller where I have added a socket connections to build a real time chat system. And in the models part I have like 5 to 6 something like a user model, recruiter, post, message, and job application and jobs. And also for the connections building, uh, we have created a connections for friend request and all. And these are the route sections which we have built it. Like our route we have created the register login, and we have also like added some middleware where we can only the authenticated person can have the acceptance for checking that requirement. Like we have to work on many UI feature like change password. We have the controller, but we haven't implemented in the front end parts. Like let me go through the front end part also. We have like created few pages components also. Like these 5 to 8 pages are for the landing pages where we have called it in like home sections. And we have completed the user sections like dashboard, feed tab, job tab, and messaging network tab, and also the profile sidebar. And in the similar way we have like created a context part like auth context. Like we are fetching all the global data here. And for the backend integration I have created like few services like API auth service, social service, and for the socket connection I have like created a socket with the help of socket.io.client, where I have like called build a socket connections through have also configured it in backend part also. These are the API like app.jsx file. We have created the route. We have like a few protected route like user like in the user dashboard only the protected user, whoever role of user have that access of user dashboard. In the similar way for we have put it for recruiter dashboard too. And we are mainly focusing on now on like recruiter dashboard. And in the main section we have provided the auth provider and notifications provider. For messaging we have a notification provider too. When the message comes it's show the how many number of messages are there. So that's all from us, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, actually, Satyam, it was some network issue at my end.
Okay,
Uh,
ma'am.
I want to see from your recruiters where you were logging from your recruiter.
Okay, ma'am. I have divided this into two parts, like as a job recruiter and recruiter sign in. So let me just log in through recruiter. Like we are working on the recruiter functions right now. Almost the user dashboard has been completed. So the profile page is working. Like we have added the few things like phone number, location, company websites, company size, and these are the added profile function is also working. Like we can add some, like it has been saved, and few features which I have to work on, like add job functionality and view application pages. Like these are few some static data, and this recent application is also not working. Then does I need to go through the code part again?
Yes, just show me the files and routes that you have created.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, firstly, like I have configured the Cloudinary for like photos and images upload,
Show me your
and
models.
models like user models, recruiter, post for the post feature. For the messages, I have also created the database, and these are the job application and jobs. Like whatever the jobs will be posted, it will be stored there. And these are the for the building a connections. Like I have create sending the friend request, that also that comes under the connection part. And these are the routes which we have worked on, like
Satyam,
user
I'm not
route.
able to see your models.
These are the is it visible?
No, I
Okay,
can
let
see
me
your
open it.
multi.js.
Is it now visible?
I don't know if it is from my end or because I'm only able to see your multi.js right now
Screen is stuck.
and the main on
Eh,
main.js.
I, I think there is some network issues. That's why. Ma'am, I'm on the user.js file now.
Is it from for everybody or is it
Yes,
from
ma'am.
my end
The
only?
screen is stuck.
Okay, so Satyam, just reshare your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Let me. Is it now visible?
Just a minute. Right now, your screen is black.
Then there must be some network issues, I guess.
So anybody else from your group can present. Okay, it is visible to all of you. It is visible for others also.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, black, ma'am.
Okay, now it is visible, Satyam.
Okay, so this is like user.js where I have like created those passwords, role, bio, and I have also created recruiter. For the recruiter, I have created these models, and for the post section, I have we have created post.js where we are the like data we are sharing. Like now the like comment features and share function is not working, but we will work on it. And these are the for the messages part, like we whatever we are in the chat, these can be stored there. And the job application, those person who have like applied there, it also have some schema. And these are the jobs which has been posted through the recruiter. For that we have created. And in the similar way we have created like user route and user auth route. In the user auth route we have like a login, sign up, and get profile. And the user route, like we have more functionalities like posting resume and profile upload and other things. Similar way, these are the message route functions where we have like conversation start messaging. And in the similar way, like can I like just start with the front end part too?
And you have to work on the jobs, like to see all the
Yes,
jobs.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like as a recruiter part, I have to work on, and some few changes I have also need to done in the user dashboard too.
Okay, fine, fine.
So may I stop sharing the screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And you have to integrate your front end or back end, or is it done?
Ma'am,
Like you are
ma'am,
already having.
uh, few are already done, and in the like I have to mostly done the part in recruiter phase. In the user dashboard, almost things are done. Am I audible, ma'am?
What?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. I was saying कि like I have almost in the user dashboard we have integrated the backend too, but like in the recruiter part we have to work on that.
Okay, so try, don't wait. I'm just saying that don't wait for the last day, like since it is Tuesday. Try to present it before that only and be ready with your report also.
Okay, ma'am. So like we have to prepare a report file, and at the day of presentation we have to like present all the codes and output. Just simple.
And your report also.
Okay, ma'am. Like
Okay,
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
okay. Yes, Harshad?
हाँ मैम मतलब मैंने मतलब फ्राइडे को मैम मैं क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर पाया था। मैं कल बीमार था और इसकी वजह से मैम मैंने मतलब प्रोजेक्ट तो नहीं लिया। तो मैम कोई मतलब मतलब कोई ऐसा मतलब मैम मैंने प्रोजेक्ट नहीं लिया तो अकेला नहीं कर पाऊंगा तो मतलब कोई हो लोग के साथ कर पाऊंगा।
Uh, so you want to be a part of a group.
यस मैम।
Actually, as you can see that people have already done major part of their projects. So you have to complete your project by your own only, and if it is possible, then I will let you know that if you can be a part of any group, because you have seen that two groups have already presented and they have done the major part of their project. So I don't know what part you will do for them, but still I will just let you know if that is possible by today only, if you can be the part of any group.
Okay ma'am, and which is the last date for which will get what
You are not clear, just repeat.
which is last date to showcase. Sorry.
By Tuesday.
Okay, Tuesday. Okay, ma'am. Okay. I will.
Okay. 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 So from group three, who is going to present? From group three, Arijit, Rocky, Nandini, Prasad, Akriti, and Sudarshan. Uh, anybody is present? Not Sudarshan, Ashish. Anybody is present from these six? Arijit, Rocky, Nandini, Prasad, Akriti, or Ashish?
Good evening,
Okay,
ma'am.
Nandini, you. Good evening.
So, ma'am, our project is Global Connect. मैम अभी मैंने ना सारा कोड पुल नहीं किया है गिटहब से, तो मेरे VS कोड में सिर्फ मेरे साइड का कोड ही है।
No
तो मैं
problem. You can just tell that one also.
ओके मैम। मैम माय स्क्रीन इज
And I
विजिबल।
would request to everybody to please converse in English only because that is what required over here. And yes, Nandini, you can carry on.
सॉरी।
No problem.
So ma'am, this is our project. This is the home page. This is my network page. Here you can see there is suggested peoples. We can connect them from here.
Right now, you are showing me the front end part.
Yes, ma'am. I was working on fronting.
Okay, okay.
This is the job page. Uh, Here you can see the filters. They are, and this is the messaging page.
So this is all static pages right now.
Yes, ma'am. The backend is not implemented here yet.
And can you see the profile page?
Ma'am, I was not working on profile page. My teammate Ashish was building it. I don't
So
know.
nobody
He is
else
here.
has joined here.
I don't know, ma'am. And the authentication page was also Rocky was building them.
Okay, so your
And
front end is done.
yes, ma'am. And the backend members are also not here, I think.
Okay, try to
The
converse with
backend is
your group
complete.
and ask them to join the session so that I can see what you all have done till now.
Okay, ma'am.
I think Rocky is here. So, Rocky, can you present the backend part? Okay, so ask the other group members also to join the session and let me know what you have all done till now.
Yes, ma'am, I'm asking.
Okay, okay. Okay, group 4. Anybody is present? From group 4, Prajwal, Shivu, Nikhil, Lakshay, Divyanshu, or Tejashree. Anyone? Yes, Tejashree.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, I will share the screen. Can you see the screen, ma'am? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. I will first show the code, ma'am.
So you were working on the backend part.
No, ma'am. Actually, we have worked and we have collaborated everything, ma'am. It's
Fine.
fine with the work. Okay. So this is the server part, ma'am. Here in this file we manage the database, ma'am. For Mongoose, we will connect through this, and these are the controllers, ma'am. admin. This controls the admin feature, and this page controls the auth controller, and this particular page controls feed of the user, and this controls the job postings and all, and this controls the message functions. This controls the posts of the user, and we have the search box which is used to search the profile users, etc. And this is used for connection between the users, ma'am. And this controls the user's authentication, like login, logout updates, like that. And we have middleware. In models, we have applications, ma'am. This is used to post a job application, and here we have job. And this controls messaging features. This controls the posts of the. This controls the user's data, like it asks for a school degree and it asks everything and saves. We have routes over here, ma'am, for feed, for job, and for messaging feature, for post feature, for searching option, for connection between users, for users authentication. And this is the server part. Front end part has feed page, and here we have job session, which this application list controls the application page. This is used to create the. This is used for job listing, ma'am. These are the basic components used, ma'am. This is for chat page, uh, and this is for messaging, showing the message list, and this is used for showing the profile. This is used for profile form. This is for search bar, and this is for the user's profile. All of this is controlled through main.jsx and index.html. Now I will show the website, ma'am. So this is the website. Let me just log out and log in again. So I will just create a new account. Uh, just change. I will log in now as a job seeker. Now here we have the profile page, ma'am. In profile page, we can see the our bio, and in home page we can see the posts, and in find jobs page we can find the jobs which have been posted by the users, and we have the message section. It should still be done, and we can actually the post, and we can see in the home section. In profile we can edit the profile too. We can add the profile. We can put the skills, experience, education, and everything, and just save the changes, and we can see the changes. Now I'll just log in as a recruiter. Uh, in recruiters page, we can actually post jobs. We can put something, name, job description, required skills, and we can just create a job. And now the job is successfully created. Now we can see this is the new job I have created. Now in view applications, we can see the number of users which have applied for this job. And this is the profile session. Now I had posted a job, right ma'am? I will log in as we can see that there is one job, someone who has applied for the job, and we can actually message them through this page. So we have sent the message that, and we can see all this data in MongoDB, ma'am.
And your messages are will be seen from the other end also.
Yeah, ma'am. Let me just. I think something is wrong with the message session, but we can see the connections and all. We will work on messaging session. And here we can see the job listing. We can apply here. And we can see that it also shows that the job, I have already applied for this job. Yeah, ma'am. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, so you have
This is
to
the
work on the messages part.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. We can
Okay,
see that
fine.
all the data is stored in MongoDB, ma'am. And images are stored in Cloudinary.
I can see you have used MongoDB Compass. Try to use the Atlas over there
Okay,
so
ma'am.
that when you will deploy, you won't have any problem.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so you
Is
have
there any
two
suggestions, ma'am?
things.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, that is what I'm telling you. If possible, actually, it is a mandatory part. You should work on the MongoDB Atlas. And secondly, you have to work with the messages part. That is fine. Other things I can see that you all have done good job. Great. So try to be present. Try to present on Friday only with your report.
Yeah, ma'am.
Have you
Ma'am,
started
actually,
with
I
the
have
report
a
part?
doubt. Ma'am, how many documents should we like submit, ma'am?
Only one report file will be there.
They have mentioned so many files over here, right, ma'am? So I actually have no clue which to submit. So which is that we should submit, ma'am?
This third one, final project report.
Only this, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I will stop sharing this.
Okay. Okay, so that was group 4, I guess, right? Okay, so group 5, Sudarshan, Kritika, Piyush, Veer, Garvit, and Anshuman. Who is going to present?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Piyush.
Ma'am, for now we have just created the backend part. Our front end part is still left. I mean the I mean our members is working on the front end part, but our backend part has completed.
Okay, okay. So just show me the backend part till then.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so this is the backend part for now. We are working on the Meti AI, the Meti design part. So these are the controllers for registering user and login user. The design parts for all the four operations for the design, and we are just saving all our images in Cloudnery and creating the needs, creating the designs. And in the thumbnail part, you can just put the URL of the any image, and it will be saved to the Cloudnery, and it will be shown to the front end part as well. And now we can also get all the designs, and update part is there. Like if there is any updation, you can do with the design, and there is one middleware. And the models for the model for the design, like user ID, title, and date, all over the data. For JSON data, like fabric, canvas data, everything was there. Thumbnail URL for images, and this is the user model, like username, email, password, everything was there. And in the routes, we have auth routes, like register user and login. And in the design route, we have all the CRUD operation of the design, like whatever the design we are creating, it will be saved to the Cloudnery. The images will be saved in the Cloudnery, and the JSON data will be saved in the MongoDB Atlas. We are using MongoDB Atlas here. And this is the env part, and the main part, that is server, like middleware. And here we are connecting our MongoDB with our we are connecting the server with MongoDB Atlas. So for now we have just created the backend part, and we are working on the front end part. So it will be we will be done by tomorrow or by tonight.
Okay, so have you all started with the front end or you have to start?
Yeah, we have to start actually, ma'am. Veer and me is working on the backend, so we have covered the backend. But and Kritika is working on the front end, so she will start from tomorrow, I think.
Okay, fine. Also, do complete your report file also.
Yeah, ma'am, we have started the report file actually. Actually, we were in the confusion, like how we need to start, but we have now cleared, like the third part we have to create the in the report format. So we will we will do the some changes, and we will let you know.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, Rocky.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am build the sign up and login page, ma'am. Group 3.
Okay, so your other group members are not joining.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am Nandini are joining, ma'am. Only for
Okay, you can. Okay, just show me the login page, sign up page. So you are showing me the front end part.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, show.
Am I visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. And it is a register form, ma'am. First of all, register form, and uh, I am for functionality, ma'am, for regex, and click for the all fields are required, and I'll be my process setup in the case. And first of all, second login page for the and ma'am forget password functionality. Ma'am, also ma'am forget password. Ma'am, and ma'am second, and ma'am password reset functionality. And अभी मैम not मैम dynamic data not and API not working. And I'm now as for as the set new password and confirm password. And last for the all done message. All done message. And the your password has been reset, and I'm back to the login page. So ma'am, it's my side for back front end. Hello ma'am.
Yes, so you have to integrate all the features because I can see
Yes
the
ma'am.
front end part only.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, fine. And it is a very good thing that you have integrated. All the features are very good. Just integrate all the features and also ask other members to complete their part because I have not seen your backend right now. Only front end has been shown by the Nandini, right?
Yes ma'am. Nandini ma'am,
And
front end I built Ashish, Nandini and me, and the backend Arijit and Akriti and uh, and ma'am, I'm also
okay, okay.
okay.
Okay, do complete your report file also and
Okay,
try
ma'am.
to present your project before Tuesday if that is possible. Don't wait for the
Okay.
last day. And one last thing to all the group members, when you will present your project, I want all of your projects to be already deployed to the like your front end should also be deployed as well as your back end to the Versal or Retlify. Like front end should be over there and your back end should be over render. Rocky, you can now stop your sharing.
Okay.
Is it clear to everybody? I hope all the group members are present over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't want because when you will be presenting your project, I will need the deployed links for both the front end or the back end and your report file, as well as the GitHub link that you will have for your project. Because if you will be having your live link, then I don't need your GitHub link to see your project because I will have to check all the features that you must have in your project that are listed in that PDF file. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so anything you all want to ask regarding any project or report file? Okay, so then I hope you all have already done major part of your projects. Be ready with your project on the presentation day. And if you don't want to ask anything, then you all can now leave the session. Okay. Okay, fine. So we will meet on the presentation day then. Complete your project and the report file and deploy your project as well.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Harshit?
Can I disconnect the meeting?
Yes, sure. I will let you know if that is possible, but be ready that you have to complete your project by your own only.
Okay, ma'am. I will. Bye.
Okay. Yes, Rocky, you have to submit your project on 3rd, and last date will be next week, Tuesday. But again, I will just ask you to not wait for the last day. Try to complete your project by Monday only. Yes, next session will be on 3rd. Others, if you don't want to ask anything, you can now leave the session. Yes, Shiva, ideally you should be making your project solo only. But if possible, you can connect with Harshad and make the project. Is it possible at your end to connect with him? Um, okay, just share your number if possible. I will let you know Harshad's number and you both can connect then. Fine. Okay, I will let him know and you both can now then make the project. That will be easier for you both. Abhishek, Ashish, and Sneha, do you want to ask anything? Abhishek, last day will be Tuesday.